Hello everyone and welcome back to FTB Infinity. Last time I left off, I was working on some applied energistic stuff, I think, but I said I would do some off-camera looking through this asteroid field. And as you can see by the sheer number of waypoints I have, that I found tons of stuff. I found a little bit of titanium, which is cool, so we'll go check that out in a bit, but I found what I was looking for right now, and that is some solid meteoric iron. Whew. And if you're wondering what the light source is, I've turned on the leggings of the burning mantle. Yep, that's what they're called. They don't seem to cause too much lag out in the asteroid field, so I've been like, yeah, you know what? I'll turn them on. I decided to try them out. Sure enough, it worked out pretty nice. So, I do have to turn them off before I go back to the overworld, though, so, you know. Okay, I'd like there to be more. So solid meteoric iron is basically just the ingot block of meteoric iron. It took me forever to find this stuff. I was actually starting to think of whether or not it actually did spawn here. Is that really all that's going to be in this whole meteor? My next plan was going to be to set up the ender quarry here. Just go really high up in the air, or up in space. Go really high up in space, set the borders, set the markers across the area, and then let it mine out the asteroid field. Thinking might be a good idea now. If this is all the... If after all my searching I finally found what I'm looking for and I only got this much of it. 8 blocks? Not great. Not at all. Alright, well. Should I leave it marked just in case? I mean, I really don't think I'm going to find any more in here at this point. Yeah, it doesn't look like I will. So in that case, I'm just going to not mark it, and we will set up the ender quarry in the asteroid field at some point. Gonna have to make a whole bunch of more barrels to store all this stuff. I'll probably give it a silk touch upgrade so I can get this dent size. Not that I think it's used for anything. Yeah, but why not, right? Okay, so titanium. Sure, there's a source over there. Why not? It's not too far away. So this is an interesting ore. It gives you both iron and titanium. I'll show you guys. Well, I'll just wait till we get there. It's not too far away. As you can see, I went pretty far out in that direction. And didn't find any meteoric iron, which was super unfortunate. I thought there was some titanium like right close to the house. Whatever. Or right close to the portal, I should say. So titanium, whoosh, comes from ilmenite ore. And it drops these iron shards, which you can smelt into iron, as well as these titanium shards, which can be smelted into titanium. And it seems to drop a fair amount of each. I do have my fortune pick here, so that might be playing a little bit into our odds here. But yeah, so it does drop just a little bit, which is cool. If I did use a Silk Touch upgrade on the thing, then I could Silk Touch that ore myself. No problemo. Where am I going? I want to go back to the house. Through the portal, into the house. And yeah. So, it's been an experience exploring this asteroid field. Certainly, not as pleasant as I was expecting. I don't know how high it goes or how low it goes, but I assume there's got to be a limit to where the terrain spawns. Thanks to Space Chickens, I've learned that the space station has a size limit, so I would assume the asteroid field does as well. Although I think Galacticraft Planets is developed by someone different than Galacticraft. Although I think Galacticraft has been taken over by somebody new recently. Or recently-ish. Yeah, we can just smelt this stuff, why not? Go for it. Alright, I gotta go put away the rock that I've got. All the rock. Wrong thing, there we go. Okay, this is the -1s. There we go. Or not the -1s, but the :1. That's the rest. Okay. If I remember correctly, I had more in here. I do. And none in here. Cool. Okay. Let's put that away. Goes there, that goes there. I'm gonna have to move this all over again. Boop. There we go. Easy peasy organized. Okay, so the solid meteoric iron, let's just go ahead and turn that into this right now. Put that in here. So I can keep track of where it is. Actually, hold on. Yeah, the dash is over here, so let's keep all our Galacticraft ores together. And then we'll have titanium over it. What do I use titanium for? Just because I don't know. Titanium, just to make titanium sheets, huh? Compressed titanium makes armor, tools, heavy rocket fins, walkways, energy beam receivers. Energy beam receivers. Beam receivers are connected to energy machine input and output to transfer energy using beams. Oh, so I can transfer... Okay, so that would be like the wireless energy variation for Galacticraft. That's cool. Short range telepad can teleport you 250 blocks. That's kind of nice. Energy beam reflector, energy beam reflector. Oh, it's the same recipe, just the thing on the other side. And the walkways. Okay. So actually, that's kind of cool. I like the energy beam stuff. That seems like it would be cool. I wonder how you make the emitter. Oh. Our frame rate will improve slightly if I turn this off. There we go. So I assume the Ender Quarry is still running right now. I'd be surprised if it wasn't. Yeah, it definitely still is. Okay. That's fine. Is the iron done? The iron is done. We'll put the titanium in its place, and we'll put the iron in its cyclic assembler. Lovely. Okay, so other things that I've done off camera since our last episode. I have somehow fixed the applied energistics setup that we had, the issue that I was having before. I don't know if I had this issue on camera or not, but it was an issue that I was having. Whereas not all of these channels were showing up properly. So I should have 7 across here, plus 6, so that should be 13. Originally I was only getting 11, but now it seems to properly be showing the 13 channels there. I've also hooked up all the storage buses to all the barrels that I think I'll need to use in crafting. So all the decorative ones are just going to stay in their barrels. I'm not going to hook up a storage bus to it. So it's mostly just tin, iron, copper, gold, diamonds, emeralds, aluminum, coal, redstone, ferrous, steel, lead. Did I already say lead? I think I did. Lead, silver, aluminum, Certus quartz, amber, iron, tin, copper, gold, yeah, and basically all that kind of stuff. So basically the stuff that's been excluded is, hold on, let's go up and I can show you guys. Easy peasy what is excluded. So tanzanite, topaz, and malachite are excluded because they are not used in any crafting recipes. Peridot, rubies, and sapphires have been excluded. Sapphires and rubies I do believe are used in some crafting recipes, and maybe even peridot is. Yeah, peridot is. But they're not the kind of things that I'm going to be making, really. So I've excluded them. Salt I believe I've excluded. Apatite I've excluded. Quicksilver I think is in there. Niter and sulfur are both in there. Cheese is not. This aluminum block is not. This aluminum block is not. Silicon, flint, zirconium, phosphorus, sunstone, cinnabar, silicon, pulverized coal are not in there. But Certus quartz dust, cobblestone, and glowstone are. Uranium is not. Yellorium is not. Mana infused ore is not. I don't think iridium is either. Yes, 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 no, no, yes, yes. So there you go. That's the brief rundown of that stuff. Okay, so now that means that we have all this stuff available here to show. I've also added these I'm not sure if I had these in the last episode or not, but we have the ME interfaces hooked up to both these sides, so that's nice. The only thing missing is I need to put export or import buses on the sides of the inscribers to pull the items out. And I believe I have those being made right here. Yeah. Do I have any other recipes that I'm holding? No, I don't. So the ME import buses, let's go ahead and slap those on. Easy peasy. The reason I made 8 was because the annihilation cores are only made in oh, hello. The annihilation cores are only made in 2s. So even though I only need 7, that's that. And I cannot use the dense cables. The dense cables from either of the mods, or the conduits from Ender.io. The dense, yeah, I can't use the dense ones from Vanilla, AE, or Ender.io, and I can't use the conduits from IO. I only use the vanilla 8-channel ones. Which should add, what did I say, 7? 7 more channels, so we should be up to 20. It's only showing 18. Last time I had this issue, it seemed like logging out and back in fixed the issue, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and hope that next time I relog it'll fix it, which I'll probably do just between episodes so we can make sure that it's all good. Actually, you know what? Nah, I can finish this episode off first. So that'll be that. Lovely. Boop. Boop. So theoretically, what I should be able to do now is I should be able to put this, this, and this in here. And say, craft me one of these. Next. Start. It took the diamond piece. It did not take the silicon or the redstone. Is this still not working for whatever reason? So my alternate option is to put an export bus underneath all these things. Which one is it? Oh. Huh. Huh. Why are you not sending... Oh, whoops. I guess that went back into the system. Oh, I don't know why it's not working. Yeah, it's back here. No processors are available. Okay, let's fix that real quick. Boom, boom. Now the crafting CPU should be free. Yeah. Okay. So adding the other interfaces did not help. What about this slot? Can I use that as a filter? If I can, that would be nice. Alright, let's see if that'll work. So this goes there. Okay, that looks like it worked. This goes here. And this goes here. Can that, will that do the thing? Will that do the thing? If so, yay. But damn, is that ever terrible. Convoluted. Alright. Why does it say craft? Didn't I literally just put one in here? Well, time to test the import buses. Hold on a minute. Are these in here now? No. Are they in here now? There's the printed silicon. There's the printed silicon from here. Do these have power? Now that I'm looking at them. Do they? They must. They just completed an operation. I don't know where they're hooked up though. Okay, so where did my engineering press go? There that goes. Let's see if that one's import bus is working. Did that work? Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. Oh my god, this system is the worst. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Okay. This import bus. Oh, I have to tell it what to import? I guess I do. Okay, that's good to know. Okay, why is that staying there? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to look up how to do this, aren't I? Okay, well, I think we're well over time for today anyway, so that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've enjoyed all that fun stuff, as always. If you did enjoy, please consider leaving a like or a comment. Any and all feedback is always very much appreciated. It helps me out a ton, and there it goes. It's already gone. Why is it already gone? Is it in the ME interface for whatever reason? Or what? Yes, it is in the interface for whatever reason. And now the silicon's over here. And let me guess, is the redstone over here? Oh no, because I told this one to hold that for whatever reason. That should be the redstone. Okay, now that I have two of these things, actually, let's see if that works. Real quick here. All I have to do is put you in here. And then go. Boop, 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 boop. Did that work? I don't think that worked. No, it sent it to the middle again for whatever reason. Okay, so that's not doing what I was hoping it would do. Okay, alright, well, see you all in the next one. Bye for now.